Hello everyone, hope you all are fine and doing well. Welcome to the channel QCC Guide. Today the topic of our video is how you can create the floor in your floor plan. In the architecture tab, you can see floor at that time. You need just click on the floor. Then in the modify tab there are lots of lines. You can click on the line. Before checking the line, you need to figure out what type of floor you need to create. I am using generic 12 inches and the level is level 1 and the offset from level 1 is to 0 inches. So after that, go to the modify tab, click on the line and click that way. Also there was a easy way of doing. You click on that pick lines, click that and then click on the inner side of your walls. Click at that point, click that and click that. Make sure that the edges of the lines connected to each other and then click OK. Now our floor is created. If you want to see the floor in the 3D view, just span your mouse at that way, or you can span that way, and then in the modify tab click on the section box. So it's showing us our floor. You can see it's the floor. If you can click on that, it's showing us the floor. Thank you for watching QCC Guide. Subscribe our channel for more videos.